In this Sailing Doodles, we do some last-minute boat repairs before getting off to a great start in the regatta, and then dancing the night away. If you haven't seen my new channel on YouTube, be sure to check out Flying Doodles, where we take up airplanes and interview the owners. This day's race was 50 miles, almost entirely downwind with a few twists and turns. On race day, it's always up before the sun. Morning on day 2 of the race. A little after, well, sun's not technically up yet, I don't think, but had a good day yesterday, really good race until the very end. They just could hold a higher line than we could. You know, newer boat, newer sails, and we have in-mast furling, so that doesn't help you point into the wind as much. Anyway, we only lost by 31 seconds on a 42-mile race. We lost by 31 seconds, so that's pretty good. They're not handicapping our division, which is a bit weird. They're handicapping every other division. I don't know. They say they're going to handicap it now based on everything, but okay, so they're going to give us a little time now. But the other boat that we beat by 22 minutes should have beat everybody, but they had some major malfunctions. They put their spinakker upside down twice. So that boat has more sail area, bigger mast. It should have won. But so I don't know, surely we're not going to give them 20 minutes on this race because they should beat us, but we'll see. Honestly, I think in more wind we were faster than both the other boats, but in less wind they're definitely faster. So let's hope for a lot of wind. It's a completely downwind sail today, dead downwind all the way.
What do you guys up?
Before the day even started, we were already dealing with issues. I had to put on a bosun's chair and go up the mast to do some repairs.
You'll see if you got too fast, man.
All right, easy. What happened is there's a couple of little Allen keys that lock the furler track in place. One of them backed out, so it won't come anymore. Cool. Repairs complete. It was time to head out for the race. It's about 10 minutes till race start, and there are exactly 2.8 knots of wind. This could be a pretty exciting race today.
Especially given this 50 miles.
And it's 50 miles.
2 knots.
On the MPS up as soon as you can, guys.
On this day, we got off to a really good start. As soon as we crossed the line, we pulled in the head sail and put up the spinakker.
Are we racing?
Yeah, it started. The repairs we had done to the sock were perfect, and it went all the way up easy.
A little bit on that.
Off to a good start. Both our competition boats are good, 2 or 3 minutes behind us at least. Pulling away because we got the wind right now and they don't. That's Prime Factor passing us. She's definitely a racing yacht. The good news was Sea Monster was well behind us with the blue spinakker. The first part of the race went really well for us, but on the last 15 miles, we took the blue line with the rest of the fleet, while Sea Monster went alone and cut the corner through some really shallow water on the red line. We had a good first half of the race. We came out to a nice big lead, and then that boat, Sea Monster, they can go straight up and down the wind pretty good. That's how they got us. They went straight downwind. They could pull out their spinakker, and they could go straight downwind where we could when we had to jibe. They brought the wind down, and we got it right when they came with us, and we both started moving at the same place, but he went straight towards the finish, and we were jibing. So they finished about 2 minutes ahead of us. The other one, Lux, I mean, he's probably still over an hour away. So, but let's go drink some beer. It's been a long day. 50 miles for a race like this seems a bit much to me. I mean, it's a wonderful race. I really enjoy it, but 50 miles in one day, especially when you're near the equator where there's not a lot of wind a lot. I mean, we were down to 2 or 3 knots a lot of wind. Cheers. Cheers. It was a smooth and easy first half of the day.
Yeah, right.
Then it turned to crap.
Very eventful second half.
Yeah.
But still, second in class. Led for most of the day. Good job, guys.
Yeah.
A few challenges, but that's what makes it fun.
Wind died. They brought the breeze down.
Yeah, it's
Can't stop it.
can't stop it. Probably a little bit later night tonight, because tomorrow the race doesn't start until 11, and it's only 10 miles down to the equator. Cross the equator, have a little, little ceremony for the pollywogs and all that, and then back up here 10 miles. So 20 miles round trip. Looking forward to a short day, because today it's been a couple really long sails. Looking forward to a short day, and then a day off the next day. So good time. Time for everyone's favorite part of the day, the open bar, dinner, and then the festivities afterwards.